Here's an update for you. It's leaking coolant. No, I'm kidding. That's not the update. Look at it. I've got the engine almost out. It's a struggle. Welcome back, everyone. Yep, we put the bumper up because we need to clear this surface. So this area needs to be clean for one specific reason. Engine hoist or cherry picker or engine crane, whatever you want to call it. This is a 2-tonner, so it should fit, it should do the job. This is not an engine crane assembly channel, so I'm not going to show you step by step how to do that. But I'll tell you this, I'll keep the boxes because the aim is, once I'm done with all that, I'll deassemble it and pack it back again in the box. Easier to store that way than just to keep it as is. You know, real estate is a luxury that I don't have at the moment. So, let's unpack, assemble, and see how it looks like. After about a couple hours, because I'm a one-man army at the end of the day, and the instructions, let's just say, they're not user-friendly. But it doesn't matter, we got it. All the castle wheels there, all the bolts, everything. It goes all the way up, all the way down. It's a 2-ton, 1.5, 1 and 0.5. And this is 900 kilo or 2,000 pounds capacity engine leveler. This is the Goliath that's supposed to help us remove that engine from over there and shove it over here. Yeah, I need a break. Here's an update for you. It's leaking coolant. No, I'm kidding. That's not the update. Look at it. I've got the engine almost out. It's a struggle. Because, see this? This is the engine mount. It would be better if you remove it. Otherwise, it's gonna hit pretty much almost everything. This one, lower transmission mount. It's also better to remove it because this screw, basically, it's gonna hit everything. Similarly, on the other side. There you go. This one came out easy. I guess now my motto, my plan, just get it out, please. Just get it out. I'm gonna slowly put it down and work on a better mounting system, at least once it's out. Over here it's just too crowded. But yep, there you go. I had to tilt it, as you can clearly see, just so that I gain more space. And once I lift it a bit more, I'm gonna have to push it just so that I wouldn't hit it from here, because I still need this one. So slowly we're getting it there. Once it's out of this mess, I'll be able to lift it all the way up and bring it down here. Yes, my beautiful engine. It's hanging. Yeah, this seal, I might need to fix that because otherwise it's gonna leak. So see, now we get to see some things that we didn't even see them in the past. So luckily we can see them now. Whoa, now I need to lower it down slowly just so that I can get it into position. And I'm just gonna keep it down because definitely I need to work on extracting this piece. But no, I don't need this. Ain't that something? Gorgeous. Let's put it down. Do I need to say anything? It is lowered all the way. See? I got this on that. So this is the bracket, which means I'm not damaging the AC compressor or the pulley or something. From the other side, I'm also basically, see? It is sitting comfortably. So now it is seated, which means even if this one, God forbid, failed, this one is actually in a good spot. Now we're gonna work on this one, actually remove it from its place. I've already started drilling couple. So I need to drill basically all of them and remove it. Then after that, we need to weld it or put it there. That's number one. Number two, I figured if I can remove this one and mount it in place, that will be way much better for me. That way, whenever I put this one, it gets back in. In terms of how we're gonna put it in, well, technically we're not gonna put it in anytime soon, just for the record. But we need to remove the hood. We need to remove everything that put over here, you see? All this. I need to remove it just so that I have more space to lower it and put it in. And probably I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm just gonna use the leveler in order to tilt it in a way so that it just goes like this. Then I adjust it. Or I might actually remove that bracket and rely on the screw holes or the bolt holes, I guess, just so that I can mount it directly into it. That way I don't need to put up with that shenanigan. At least. We'll see how we go. We've got plenty of time, hopefully. All right. After a quick break, we're back at it. The engine's still where it is. We managed to remove this one. Yep, and it's in bad shape. You see how it's just torn from multiple sides? So, there you go. Screw, get it out. And the other side has the nut welded into it. So, it's now easier for us to put it back. I managed to buy this one. It's a brand new one. And this is the part number if you're interested in it. So it's A5325. It's not bad. It's actually a pretty good solid one. It's in a far better shape. And if you compare them, you can clearly tell it's in much better shape and same size. So what we can do is put this one there, and hopefully all should be good. These are the bolts that I have. I'm just gonna put them back in. And once we're done with that, that leaves us with probably something else that we can do. Remove the hood because we no longer need it. We can install it into that side because we need to get rid of it. That clears up the space for us and makes it easier for us to proceed. And if we have enough time, if not in this video, probably in the second one, I'm gonna start tearing into this. Ideally, what I would hope to do, remove the power steering, remove the AC, because I need to remove this bracket. If I can remove this bracket, it makes it easier for me to drop the engine back over there, then install the bracket, blah, 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 whilst the car is in. Ideally, I was hoping to also change the timing belt, but doubt I'll be able to do it. Because of this, I need to remove this, and this is already used to lift the car. So there's that. Anyways, let's get on with it. Install this one over there, and remove this one. Haha! We got it sorted. Installed. Perfect fit. Everything. You'll notice that I had to remove this one. Well, for two reasons. Number one, you see this hose, I had it installed the opposite way. You see how it just bent? The bent was in the opposite way. That was wrong because it was hitting here, so I needed to remove it. But now, if you push this one all the way back, and this one goes all the way to the end of here, installed properly, you can clearly tell that you're not gonna have any problem. But I decided to remove it either ways because it's a plastic piece. Chances are, if I'm gonna put the engine, I'm gonna break it, and I don't wanna break it. I'd rather not break it. And the nut is over here, and this one just attached to it. So it's a simple fix. It's not something that we need to worry about. And voila! The hinges are clear, and we've got the blue damaged hood over here. Now we can say we're done for the day. If you like what you see, stick around until next episode. Oh wow. Now that is an ending. Till then, you guys take care of yourself. Yalla.